All right. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys, I'm basically just going to go in and try to recreate a viral video completely from scratch, 100% live, to show you guys just like how to go about every step of this process here. So if you guys have been watching my last couple videos, I've had a few TikTok shop videos go pretty viral over the past week. One of them has like over 5 million views. The others have a few 100,000 views. So that angle is working pretty well right now. So what I'm going to do here is just recreate another video so you guys can watch this whole process here, and we'll see if it works again. You know, this is the theme that I've been talking a lot about here, is that whenever you find something that works on TikTok, specifically TikTok Shop, like when you're promoting videos, you don't have to like overthink the next video and the next concept to, you know, try to build off that, right? You literally just recreate the same video over and over and over again until it stops working. So that's my plan here. I'm literally going to use the exact same hook. I'm going to do it on a different screen, so they have a little different background, so it looks a little bit different. But I'll play the video for you guys so you have an idea of kind of what I'm going to be going for here. But yeah, this is the name of the game on TikTok Shop. Just absolutely spamming content until it doesn't work. Right? If you're thinking like, oh, you know, my the viewers are just going to see the same video and over and get tired of it, and you know, it's going to affect my page or whatever. You got to remember that, especially if you have an anonymous account, like it's not like your personal brand or anything. Nobody knows who's posting it. Nobody really, for the most part, even follows anybody's TikTok, like for real. Like when you post a video on TikTok, it either spawns onto the For You page and millions of random people see it, or it doesn't. So there's like literally nothing to lose. You could literally make the exact same video 100 times over. If it keeps working, just keep doing it. So let me just quickly play the video here that I'm going to be recreating for you guys. While I'm doing this, like the video for me, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new, you know the YouTube drill. But all right, let me record this. I'll just play this quick for you.
And they're very painful.
Oh.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow, that's crazy. But this, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guarantee, right? So I'll make you an offer, right? And I just want a yes or no. The offer is $250,000 that you asked for 20%.
I'll do it for 15. Good, and now we have two offers.
Well, right. No, you're about to have one offer, so you got to tell me.
I'll do it
if you
for
want to work with me,
15%.
yeah, I'm not going to wait around, so you guys can decide.
Now, this is the straw that was from that Shark Tank episode. It has a little hole at the bottom here, so when you drink water through it, it generates enough pressure to stop the spasms in your diaphragm, causing the hiccups. Pretty crazy. This doctor right here might have just changed the game for everybody who constantly has the hiccups. So I'm not sure why I'm just finding out about this now, but they just launched them on the TikTok Shop, so I'll go in and add it to the video here if you guys want to check it out for yourself.
And
I might rip a comment reply here. I'll probably do want to, well, I'll find a comment that I eventually will reply from or will reply to. But yeah, that was the video. So now I'm going to go recreate that, and I'm going to do it on the big screen over here on the flat screen. So it'll look a little bit different, but we'll see how it goes. Let me, I'm going to flip the camera around here. Ignore all the boxes in the background, or don't. Doesn't really matter. But these are only these aren't my real glasses, so I still can't see anything. These are just the blue light blockers. So I'm gonna get a little close here. Pull the dad stance. Maybe go a little wider for the dad stance action.
and they're very painful.
Oh.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink.
Please let it work.
I'll have one offer.
All right, there we go. Couple clips. All right, so now I'm gonna get some B-roll to use. I think for, like, at least what I'm thinking right now is for that intro clip, I'm going to kind of take the approach of like, there's no way she just stopped her hiccups with this new hiccup straw or this new Shark Tank product, something along those lines. So for this B-roll, I'm going to take the, I'm going to be like, yeah, you know, I honestly didn't believe it. So yeah, I'll probably say, I honestly didn't even believe it. So I went in and picked one up. Let me show you what it looks like. That's like what I just said it like how I'm probably going to say in the video. We'll see. But yeah, now I'm just going to get some B-roll, see how this goes. Good B-roll. All right, I think I'm going to get some B-roll of a clip. I'll do this one on my computer. All right, just chopped up the video, added some text. Let me, I'll play it for you guys, and then we will post it. We'll see what happens.
Hiccups. They sound more like burps, and they're very painful.
Wow.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow, that's crazy. Wow. I love it. It's only been around how many years?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. But this, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guaranteed, right? So I'll make you an offer, right? And I just want a yes or no. The offer is $250,000 that you asked for 20%.
I'll do it for 15.
I honestly didn't even believe it when I saw the Shark Tank episode, but let me show you how this actually works because it's pretty crazy. So it has this little hole here at the bottom, and when you put it into water and drink through it, that's where it goes in and generates enough pressure to stop the spasms in your diaphragm that leads to the hiccups. I honestly did not even know anything like this was out there, but certainly would have come in handy plenty of times in the past. So if you guys always get the hiccups at the most random times like me, and you want to check it out, I'll add it right here to the TikTok shop for you. It's pretty cool. All right, we'll see how it goes. We'll pick you guys up in a couple days here. All right. So it's a few days later, 3 days later, to be exact, and the results are in. Let's take a look. So far from that video, we have done $0 in sales. The video actually completely flopped. It was my worst performer out of the last like 10 or 15 that I posted. It's sitting at just over 2,000 views with, like I said, 0 sales. And yeah, honestly, when I first looked at the numbers, I was a little pissed off because I was like, wow, you know, you can literally do everything right. You can follow the exact, framework that should work, that worked for whatever reason for my last like 6 videos, millions and millions of views, consistently. You can make a whole YouTube video showing you how to do it. And, it can still absolutely flop. But then I was kind of happy that happened because that is like that's the reality of just being a content creator, like even more so than just being like a TikTok shop affiliate. Like that is going to happen 98% of the time. Like you're going to go out, you're going to, like I said, do everything right. That video should have worked based on past performance. What do they say? Past performance is no guarantee does not guarantee future results, whatever the old saying is, right? But yeah, that's the reality. So, that's what's going to happen. That's honestly great that we got it all here on YouTube, make this whole YouTube video. It's like, oh yeah, the video got no views, no sales. Okay, next play, on to the next one. That's what you got to do. It's going to happen. Like you got to be a little nuts to be a content creator, right? To go out and just post videos every single day, like knowing in the back of your mind that they're probably going to flop and get no views. But then when you have one pop off, it can absolutely change everything overnight and completely turn your channel around. So that's the reality. Glad you guys were here. We're here for the live demo. for the ride there, I guess. And that's the game we're playing. That's the game you signed up for. You can't sit there and be like, just drill yourself on why it didn't work for like an hour trying to figure it out. It's like, hey, I don't know. The hook worked last time. The body worked last time. Call to action worked last time. I thought it was a good video. It didn't work. All right. Whatever. Like, keep going. It's like some get picked up. Hey, maybe it'll get picked up. Maybe it'll get picked up this week. I don't know. One of my videos actually did have like 2,000 views, and now it's sitting at 30. And that was like, it went like 4 or 5 days with that many views, and now it's starting to pick up. So again, you literally never know. All you can do, just put yourself in the best position to have the highest probability of success there. Like where, okay, you're doing the research, you're following the right frameworks. And then from that point on, the only other thing you can really control is just how much content you pump out. Like you just got to be ramming content at the end of the day. Like that's how it works. Like you can't get caught up in it and be like, oh my God, like this isn't going to work. The product's not going to work. The videos are fatigued. It's like, no, you just try another hook and see if it works. Or you try like a different kind of style. But yeah, there's a real behind the scenes of thinking a video is going to absolutely crush it. It doesn't crush it. Okay, next period's on. Let's go. Hockey reference. Let the Zamboni go through the ice. Next period. So yeah, if you guys are still here, like the video for me, subscribe to the channel, join our creator community on Skool. You guys know the YouTube drill. Check out the links in the description if you'd like. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.